Anyway, today I'm going to teach you how to do VLOOKUPs. VLOOKUPs. Cool. So, VLOOKUP, amazing formula. People will always say that there are better ways of doing things, but you cannot speak to the reliability of a VLOOKUP. They're gonna come with index match, they're gonna come with H lookup, they're gonna come with X lookup. But when it comes to getting things done, VLOOKUP will always get things done. Okay. So, and also before people chat, Excel is always the second best tool to use for anything. It's never the best. So like why am I even bothering using it anyway, I go on and on, but my thing is use the as long as you get to the end product, we don't give a damn. Yeah, of course, if you're creating complex Excel models and stuff like that, where literally some businesses are built on literally an Excel sheet, no joke. Then maybe, but you know what it does is like I don't know, it's like best practices in coding. Like, it helps the other person read it, but within an hour, where it would have taken them like 2 hours if you wrote it badly. But it's just next hour. I can go on and on. Basically, VLOOKUP, amazing. Use it. Like F anyone else who tells you not to. Anyway, let's get going. Cool. Now we have to stop it, and then we have to go again. Screen share. Share. Cool. So VLOOKUP, what it basically does is it pulls a certain piece of information from a table, okay, or from a spreadsheet, or from flipping anywhere. It pulls essentially a piece of information that you're looking for. So here, I want to look for how old, like let's say this can go on and on. This can be a record of like 20,000 names. And I want to pull three people's names only. I want to pull the ages of Yusuf. I want to pull the ages of Zulfi. And I want to pull the ages of Tracy. I want to pull these three names. Okay, I want to pull their ages. Now, if it's 20 flipping thousand, of course I can go Control F, or I can scroll. Yes. But it's inefficient at scale. It looks efficient now because I have like what, like flipping five values or five records, but it's totally inefficient at scale. So we want to learn small so that we can implement at scale. But whatever. Now, if I want the ages of Yusuf, Zulfi, and Tracy, I go VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, remember, it will always break if what you're looking for is not the first flipping column. You'll see what I'm talking about now. So equals, this is the formula. The way, and you never have to remember any formula because Excel will tell you like what to write or what it wants next. But of course, you do practice, then you can get it easier, but you never have to remember a formula. Every formula starts with equal to VLOOKUP. VL. I just literally type in VL and it comes VLOOKUP and I press tab. Now it says, what do you want to search for? I want to search for this Yusuf. Okay, we go back and also take note. Let me just move my face away. Take note of the delimiter. The delimiter is what separates the different things it's just the separation punctuation mark that they use. So take note of the delimiter. The delimiter here is comma. So VLOOKUP, what am I looking for? I'm looking for Yusuf. I want Yusuf's ages, but here I want it to present age. So let me just write it down to make it easier. So name I'm looking for, and I want it the age. Okay. So I want Yusuf's age equal VLOOKUP, VL. Excel will do the rest for you. You press tab. Okay. What am I looking for? Search key. That's the first value. I'm looking for this, the name Yusuf. So I click on it. Click on everything. Click. Use your mouse. Click. Remember my delimiter was a comma. So I go comma. Then it tells you the next thing. You don't even have to remember it. It says range. Okay, you want to look for that name where? And now this is where I said it always has to be the last, the leftmost value. So you highlight where the name starts, and all the information that you want of Yusuf's name has to fall to the right of it. If it doesn't, you adjust the column so that it does. Because VLOOKUP works left to right. If I start, if Yusuf's age, for example, was here, this formula was not going to work. Okay? Yusuf's age has to be the very first thing. So even in the table where it has like something written here, you start highlighting from here. You start highlighting from age. You can highlight from there, but don't, okay? So you highlight from where the name is. You can highlight whatever. We highlight it, okay? So because it asked us for the range, if you remember, okay? It said what I want is the search key. What I'm looking for Yusuf in what range? This is the range, okay? And when you're done highlighting the range, you press comma. Everything, Excel will tell you what to do after that. It told you highlight the range, you press comma. Now, index or the third value in, and I know Google Sheets uses index. I don't have Microsoft Excel. It's paid for. I don't want to pay for. So index is basically saying what number column, starting from this column, starting from the column Yusuf, can I find this information for you? So the first column is this one, column number 1. Then this is column number 2. Then you tell it, yo, you can find it for me in column number 2, pleases. So you're writing column number 2. Then you press comma. Now is sorted. Basically, is asking, can I do a fuzzy lookup or like a direct, like bloody hell, it has to be that. So basically what I mean by that is like, so fuzzy lookup will help you if there's names spelled incorrectly or something like that. So like if it's like, so fuzzy lookup is when you end the whole VLOOKUP with true. Okay. So basically, let's say I have a spelling error. I have Yusuf written here with 2 S's. But if there's Yusuf written with, so then if it can't find Yusuf written with 2 S's, it's gonna find Yusuf written with 1 S. You know? So fuzzy lookups help in certain use cases, but I rarely ever use them because we don't understand Excel's way of looking up stuff. So I'm not in favor. So here, you always go false. You type in false. Is sorted, false. Eh? Wait a second. 2 is sorted, false. I didn't put the false, but whatever. But yeah, so it picked up my age immediately. Boom, boom. There's my age. I want Zulfi's age. Let's see. Zulfi's age is supposed to be 45. Let's see if it picks it up. If I drag the formula up. Boom. 45. So it picked it up. It found Zulfi's age. And then Tracy's age. Let's see. Boom. 26. 26. It found the age. You see? So that's kind of VLOOKUP. And now, because I feel like the difficulty with learning a VLOOKUP is understanding what exactly it does. You must understand that a VLOOKUP, like you must understand what it's doing. It's referencing what you're looking for. It's very simple, but it's very also difficult to get. I know I'm saying basic stuff, but trust. A lot of people, especially when learning VLOOKUPs, forget this or don't know it. So it asks you right here. So what are you looking for and where can I find it? So as I said, I'm looking for Yusuf's age here. I hope this video helped. I can't explain it any lesser than I just did. So yeah, hope it helped and let me know if anything else. You can always just comment or whatever, and I'm more than happy to literally make a video just for you to explain it. Okay, okay.